use Snapchat every day. I have a very, out of all my platforms I've ever used, Snapchat is the most engaging platform I've ever used. You
get the best reach and
yes, because every person that Snapchats me, I reply to them. Either just a quick hey, thank you, or like a thumbs up to everybody.
Thanks again for calling me. You know, that no one ever does that. I've contacted so many people.
Yeah, it's all good, man. I mean, I take a lot of pride in what I do. And what do you currently do for social media? Because I know you said in your text that you're doing some affiliate stuff. What do you have going on? Hey, you don't have a label maker, do you? What? You don't have a label maker, do you? No. Oh.
What are you doing?
Trying to get this clip. Are we driving your car? Or are we taking my car? Who's driving?
I was waiting to see what you were gonna do.
So do you want to do rock, paper, scissors then? Or what are we doing? How do you want to dictate this?
It's been a few times, eh? Wait.
Buttermilk Ranch!
Go down at first. But it's going down
the DM. I got packing tape and you still have my protein bar in here from like 6 months ago? Well, if you guys notice my M3, if you guys see anything special, it's probably something you don't even care about, but that is always a good feeling. Got my registration, my new sticker. I have new plates coming too, which I'm excited for, just waiting for them to come in.
You guys noticed my M3, something special. Car's just shaking. I feel so much pressure in my head. I should put it under that, huh?
Yeah, I got you.
We're just breathing in exhaust fumes. I'm just taking it all off. I'm not even...
Just run no plates.
Yeah. Whoever's in there.
There's like some fanboys in there just chilling. This is the sickest shot. It helped me laugh harder by looking down. I can see myself right there in your car.
I know, because my paint is so good.
Yeah, look at that core cap. I held my breath the whole time.
That was dramatic as
hell. That was super dramatic. That thing's kind of cool. Shady 62.
It's so like small.
I know. There's no windows. Audi Newport Beach. And you have an Audi.
And I have a Lambo shirt on. We'll come back.
Alright, we'll come back. Watch out for that. Yo, damn, that Macan Turbo. We gotta get an intro.
Oh, that's chalk. There's people in there.
Oh, shoot. That's sick. We'll get an intro over here. Dude, hold on. Look at this wall.
Chalk.
You see this?
Yeah.
It goes all the way up. That's dope.
It's dope. Oh, is this Porsche?
I think so. Let's get an intro over here. Chalk, chalk, chalk. Alright, you ready? Let's get Porsche in the background. Get in here, get in here. What's up, YouTube? We are over here at Porsche Newport Beach, if you can't tell, right above Gibbs's head. And today we're going to do a video here of just seeing some cars. My good friend Matt works here, and I hit him up today, and he wanted...
Good timing.
Not bad. He wanted to show me a car he had here. He sent me a picture of it. It is a Porsche GT3RS, and I figured we'd come by and take a look anyway. So, welcome to Porsche Newport Beach. The proper shirt for a Lamborghini I'm in a Porsche dealership. Hi.
Hi.
Thanks, man.
I've never been here before.
This is your first time here?
Yeah, I've never been here.
Welcome. Oh, dude, that color, that chalk color is so sick. So as you know, we were at a Porsche dealership last weekend, and this is like a tradition to go to all these dealerships, but I figured we'd come here because all the inventory is so different at every dealership you go to. One thing I do know, Gibbs, can't get over that color.
Oh, I don't know if that's chalk.
Well, that color in general is like, maybe it isn't, huh?
Like tan. I think this is more, sorry.
No, it's okay.
This is more gray.
What's MSRP?
Oh, it is chalk.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's like,
I think it's just the lighting made it not look. The one outside, I don't know.
I think it's the lighting, dude, like you're saying.
What do you think it is?
MSRP? Is it a GTS or no?
It's a GT3RS, 2018.
129. What is it?
136.
Oh, it was close, man. Maybe if he didn't get power seats, I would've got it right.
It's kind of cool. The roof.
Dude, that new steering wheel too is so nice.
I like the roof though, how it's not glass, but it's still retractable.
The badge, it's color matched.
Yeah.
I've never seen that.
They all are.
They're not all color matched. Like color matched to the actual paint? No, dude, like that's not red. That's not. Dude, get out of here with that, bro.
It's probably just an option.
Whoa. The door handles too. No, you can tell all this GT4. This thing's super nice. Proper gearbox. Both green. Damn.
What do you mean they're both green?
I thought this was green. Never mind, I was tripping. That color's sick. That's a color for you, Gibbs. That's awesome. What's up, brother? How are you?
Doing good.
Good to
Should I
see
take
you.
to the beast?
Yes, please.
How's it going? I'm Matthew Kish. Nice to meet you.
Oh.
So we can start it up and stuff?
Dude, that would be awesome. Thank you. So Matt, thank you so much, dude. I appreciate it. He is one of the main guys here at Porsche of Newport. He's gonna start this up for us. And on the license plate, I noticed that, dude, are those Canard stock or no?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. That is so dope. And a full cage or half cage.
And harnesses?
He said it has headers and exhaust. 1 RS. Gibbs, what do you think?
I haven't seen those tires before. They're Dunlop, Sport Max, Race.
Some serious track tires.
So look, this is a ex-race car driver.
Oh yeah, so he knows what he's doing then.
Right, and he was a 918 owner.
Wow.
So I'll show you something. You ever illuminated door sills?
Yeah.
Check these ones out.
Oh.
It's the shape of a 918.
What?
Oh,
Yeah.
On a GT3.
Right.
That is so cool.
This car's got carbon ceramic brakes.
Uh-huh.
Every Porsche has to be yellow.
Uh-huh.
These aren't. They're black calipers.
From the factory then?
Right.
Yeah, I've noticed with all Porsches are always yellow.
Exactly.
That's a cool touch though.
All right, let's fire it up.
Yeah, I want to hear this thing. That is so loud. Holy crap, dude. A little louder than stock, just a tad. I'll just let it build up a little bit of temperature and then we'll get it from okay, no worries. That is sick.
A little different than stock.
Damn. And it has headers and exhaust on it? Shit.
And it's all tuned so everything runs perfectly.
You guys let me know in the comments below. Comment below, thumbs up or thumbs down for this color scheme. Or you can send me a Snapchat right now, right here, that photographer. Send me a Snapchat. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it a lot. Video's not over yet, don't worry.
Yeah.
It used to be called the Special Requests Department. Now it's blown up to an actual department that they call manufacturer.
No way.
So we can do all the paint samples. That's why we keep these pucks. And it tells you all the names of the colors. Fashion gray.
Yeah, that's one of my favorites.
I love Riviera blue.
Is that pretty close to Mexico blue?
Yeah, watch. Here, this is kind of cool to do. So this was Golf. So we kind of go light to dark.
So which
These
one?
This is Golf.
Okay.
Here, I'll flip them this way so you can see.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I geek out on all this stuff. I think it's
Mexico,
so
yeah.
cool.
That's a sick color.
That one's awesome.
I love that. And that one is Riviera. Yep.
And is this the Voodoo?
Voodoo. You know,
A little bit deeper.
I bought a 918 in that color.
Either eliminate the full leather or eliminate the stitch. Which one do you want to do? If they come to us, we can make it happen. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, Ventador. Oh, yes. That looks so good. Hold on, Gibbs, come here. All right, dude, tell me the second car, I don't want to say that, second car that I ever got a ticket in working for a dealership. What was it?
Bentley Supersport.
It was a gray Bentley Supersports. I got pulled over for speeding. Regardless of that, this is the replacement. I hope if I drive one again that I don't get a ticket because this thing is absolutely beautiful. 700 horsepower?
Correct.
That's insane. How much does it weigh, do you know?
5,600 pounds. But it still does 0 to 60 in the low threes. It's the world's quickest, most powerful Bentley ever.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't doubt it.
And then they're estimating top speed at like 209 range.
All the carbon looks really good too.
It's a nice way to send off this body style before we get the next Continental.
Yeah, I mean they've ran this for a while, but it's always been such a good looking car.
Sized headlights, it looks so much better. Are you still rocking your orange wrap?
No one.
Is it Snapchat? Oh. Oh. Whoa, I was gonna say, are they open today? But damn, that was a clean. That color was. I said that was a clean.
Dude, why don't we just sit here?
So I just had a really good talk with Matt, who works here. He's a Porsche salesman, and we had a really good conversation in regards to social media. And I don't know if you guys knew, but like, if you see here on the sign, it says Porsche, Bentley, Audi, and then Auto Nation. But regardless of that, Auto Nation is a company that they do pretty much everything for a dealership, from like photos to management to social media. For me, I've always wanted to be helpful to these dealerships, but getting past those people is so hard because they just don't want to listen to what you have to say. So the thing for me when it comes to social media is that if you're trying to sell yourself as a business or as a brand, focus on bringing value to a company. My goal here is I'm going to come by, I'm going to film all these cars, put it on YouTube, put it on my Instagram, and tag them. That brings them value to get new people in their database. So for my goal overall, I just want to bring more to a dealership, more social media, more exposure, not just to random people, but to people who can purchase this stuff. So I really hope that, crossing my fingers, we'll do a lot more here with this dealership. Gibbs is going live right now and someone wants to be on the vlog. What's his name? Put him in the vlog.
Oh, wrong way. Oh no, wait, here. Darius Ayakub.
Darius Ayakub is getting it, so.
What up?
See, I know I look like a criminal right now, but I've tried so hard to fight to get this new era of social media to really come to life, and a lot of people just, they don't want to listen, they don't even care about what you have to say. And in my personal opinion, that kind of bugs me, because with like modern marketing, it's just really tough when people don't want to listen to what you have to say. But like I said, regardless, it's something that you have to find a way to bring more value, bring more quality to anybody who wants to be in front of social media, who wants to be in front of the right people. So if you're having a hard time selling yourself to other people, keep trying, keep pushing. Even if you talk to 20 different people, it only takes one person to say yes to help you out, to build your business, to get new social media clients, to get new cars to work with. You have to ask, like I said, as many people as you can, and all you need is one person to say yes. So don't give up, because what if you asked 19 people and you stopped and the 20th person said yes? You're missing out. Where did Gibbs go? I really like being a YouTuber.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's fun. Dude, we just need a car spot here. Dude,
Doesn't he look like Bono?
dude, I do actually. Is that a Viper? No, that's a Corvette. I saw you trying to sick. Oh, there's that lava orange Porsche.
What up?
Oh!
Like my dude.
What up, dude? What up? You drinking cognac?
I can't.
Yeah, dude, you're in the vlog. Welcome to the vlog, brother.
So sick.
Oh, I heard something. Oh, another 458. Kramer. State your name and your address and your social security number.
Is it recording? Oh, it is. Hey guys, what's up?
I'm so proud.
My name's Andrew Gibbs. I'm here to F things up, all right? We're doing this.